Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Arabic ebook before it's gone.
الشيبسي potato chips. شيبسي potato chips. بحب اكل سندوتشات جبنة مع الشيبسي قوي. I like to eat potato chips with cheese sandwiches. In Egypt, the traditional cheese is very plain. It's white, plain, and unsalted. So when you eat shipsi, when you eat potato chips with it, it gives it a flavor. If you're eating kebab flavored potato chips with like cheese sandwiches, it gives it the flavor as if you're eating kebab. السمنة النباتية margarine. السمنة النباتية margarine. Or just in Egyptian Arabic, you can say margarine. For example, أنا عمري ما بشتري سمنة نباتية. I never buy margarine. الصودا soda, which means soda. For example, هو بيشرب صودا كتير. He drinks a lot of soda. فشار الميكرويف microwave popcorn. فشار الميكرويف microwave popcorn. مش بحب فشار الميكرويف. I don't like microwave popcorn. And actually in Egypt, most households don't have microwaves, so we just make popcorns by putting the seeds in hot oil and wait for them to pop. It's so nice to see them like. اللحوم المصنعة processed meat. اللحوم المصنعة processed meat. And in Egypt we usually use the word luncheon to refer to such processed meat. اللحوم المصنعة بتجيب أمراض كتير. Processed meat causes lots of illnesses. Yes, sir. المقليات fried food. مقليات fried food. For example, أكلت مقليات كتير على العشاء. During dinner I ate lots of fried food. مشروبات الطاقة energy drinks. مشروبات الطاقة energy drinks. For example, ما ينفعش الأطفال يشربوا مشروبات الطاقة. Kids should not drink energy drinks. النودلز instant noodles. Noodles instant noodles. And in Egypt, just like how we use the word Nescafe to refer to instant coffee, we use the word Indomie to refer to instant noodles. It's a very famous noodles brand in Egypt. عمرو بيحب النودلز or عمرو بيحب الإندومي. عمرو likes instant noodles. الوجبات السريعة fast food. الوجبات السريعة fast food. Or in Egypt you can also use fast food. الوجبات السريعة بقت منتشرة قوي. Fast food is becoming very popular. المعلبات canned food. المعلبات canned food. For example, التونة من أشهر المعلبات. Tuna is one of the most famous canned food. التكرار repetition. التكرار repetition. التكرار بيساعدني أفتكر كلمات جديدة. Repetition helps me remember new words. In Arabic we say التكرار بيعلم الشطار, which means repetition is a good student's way of learning. الفرجة على مسلسلات مترجمة watching TV series with subtitles. الفرجة على مسلسلات مترجمة watching TV series with subtitles. الفرجة على مسلسلات مترجمة بيثبت الكلمات في مخي. Watching TV series with subtitles helps keeping the words on my mind. التدريب بالكتابة to practice by writing. التدريب بالكتابة which means to practice by writing. For example, بحب أتدرب على الكلمات الجديدة بالكتابة. I like to practice new words by writing. القراية بصوت عالي reading out loud. القراية بصوت عالي reading out loud. قراية الكلمات بصوت عالي بيساعدني أفتكرها. Reading the words out loud helps me remember them. تأليف قصص making up stories. تأليف القصص. This one is my favorite method. It means to make up stories. For example, you can say تأليف القصص باستخدام كلمات جديدة بيساعدني أفتكرها. Making up stories with the new words helps me remember them. عمل رسومات توضيحية drawing reminding illustrations. عمل رسومات توضيحية making reminding illustrations. بعمل رسومات توضيحية تفكرني. I draw reminding illustrations to remind me. الربط ما بين الكلمات creating associations between words. الربط ما بين الكلمات creating associations between words. بحاول أربط بين الكلمات عشان أفتكرها. I try to create associations between words in order to remember them. الحفظ عن طريق السمع to memorize by listening. الحفظ عن طريق السمع to memorize by listening. بحاول أسمع كلمات عربي كتير عشان أفتكر الكلمات. I try to listen to Arabic words a lot to memorize words. سماع أغاني كلماتها مكتوبة listening to songs with lyrics. سماع أغاني كلماتها مكتوبة. Listening to songs with lyrics. This is one of my favorite. It's probably number one favorite method of learning a language, and then number two is making up stories. بحب أسمع أغاني وأنا ببص على كلماتها مكتوبة. I like listening to music while reading the lyrics. استخدام الكلمات الجديدة في جمل. Using words in sentences. استخدام كلمات جديدة في جمل. Using new words in sentences. For example, you can say بحاول أستخدم الكلمات الجديدة في جمل. I try to use new words in sentences. بسبوسة. بسبوسة. The first Egyptian food is بسبوسة. بسبوسة. Basbousa is made of corn flour, and then you put some sugar and nuts, and then you put it in the oven, and after that you put honey and lemon on it, on top of it, and it's really, really sweet. For a sentence, you can, for example, say النهاردة الحلو بسبوسة. النهاردة الحلو بسبوسة. Today's dessert is بسبوسة. بيض بالبسطرمة. Egg with pastrami. The next word is بيض بالبسطرمة. Eggs with pastrami. For example, you can say هنفطر بيض بالبسطرمة. هنفطر بيض بالبسطرمة. We'll have eggs with pastrami for breakfast. حلاوة طحينية. حلاوة. The next one is حلاوة طحينية. حلاوة. In Egypt, we usually use the word حلاوة, but the tahina part is actually to address this kind, like the type of حلاوة. In the Middle East, we make حلاوة out of sesame paste. For example, you can say بحب الحلاوة طحينية. I like حلاوة. حمام محشي. Rice stuffed pigeon. The next word is حمام محشي. حمام محشي. Rice stuffed pigeons. For example, you can say هنتغدى النهاردة حمام محشي. We will eat rice stuffed pigeons for lunch. شوربة عدس. Lentil soup. شوربة عدس. Lentil soup. For example, you can say شوربة العدس بتدفي في الشتاء. Lentil soup keep you warm in winter. Lentil soup in Egypt is very traditional dish. You can eat it with bread, you can eat it with rice, and you can even eat it with pasta. But mostly we eat it with bread. You just cut the bread apart and you just put it in the soup and you stir a little bit and it's so delicious. طاجن بامية. okra طاجن. طاجن بامية. okra طاجن. For example, you can say طاجن بامية لو سمحت. okra طاجن please. I don't know why, but nobody likes bamia, like nobody likes okra, especially children. And when like a mom wants to punish her children and she cannot really do anything about it, she's like, okay, for lunch I'm going to make you some okra. I'm going to make you some bamia. And everyone's like, no. Fatta. Fatta. The next one is fatta, which means fatta. It's also a traditional Egyptian food. For example, you can say في عيد الأضحى بناكل fatta. In Eid al-Adha, we eat fatta. Fatta is a traditional dish we usually make especially for that day, for the Eid al-Adha day. It's about this big. And it's rice, and on top of it there's bread, and then some tomato sauce. And then you put like huge, like big chunks of meat, like this much, one chunk of meat, like all around the, I don't know, you just put lots of meat because it's a meat feast. فول وطعمية. فول and falafel. فول وطعمية. Full and falafel. Full is full beans, and falafel is made of full beans as well, mixed with corn, some veggies, some like green stuff, I don't know its name, and eggs, and you mix them all in a blender, and then you fry it. You just fry this full paste, full bean paste. It's the traditional breakfast for Egyptians. Like usually they just, for breakfast, they almost always have full and falafel. But it's not good because it makes you get into food coma at 7 o'clock in the morning. For example, you can say هعزمك على فول وطعمية. I'll invite you to eat full and falafel. كشري. كشري. The next word is كشري. كشري. Also, it's one of the most famous traditional food, and it's very similar to fatta, except that it doesn't have meat inside, or it doesn't have as much meat as fatta does. But it's also starting with a base, like rice as a base, and then some rice as a base, and then some fried bread. And on top of it, there is a tomato sauce, fried onion, and some lentil, and maybe minced meat as well. But I don't know. I think the inexpensive one, the cheap one, is without meat, and the expensive one is with meat. But it's very, like, overall, it's very inexpensive meal. You can have it on the go. For example, you can say الكشري من أكتر الأكلات اللي بحبها. كشري is one of my favorite food. مسقعة مسقعة. The next word is مسقعة. مسقعة is basically طاجن, but instead of bamia, instead of okra, we use eggplants, also with minced meat and some tomato sauce and garlic, and mostly just like okra tajin, mostly children don't like it, and mostly it's served as a punishment. I really don't like it. For example, you can say المسقعة دسمة قوي. مسقعة is very fatty. That's it for today. I hope you liked it. Why don't you tell us in the comments below about your favorite traditional Egyptian food dish? Also, don't forget to comment and subscribe and visit our website, ArabicPod101.com. Bye bye.